street photography by night. It's hard and it's magic in the same time, but it's harder and it's more magical with this X-PRO3 and Fujifilm 35mm f1.4 lens. I want to share with you my results, my experience regarding this lens on my Fujifilm X-PRO3 in street photography by night. Let's talk about this now. Hi there and welcome to my channel. My name is Tudor Matescu and I'm glad to see you here. I want to share with you my experience regarding the magic lens from Fujifilm on my Fujifilm X-PRO3, the latest rangefinder looking camera with an extraordinary AF. But is this AF good enough for this old lens or not? We'll find out in this video. So if you are liking content like this, please subscribe now to my channel and let's get to the subject. So I was thinking to make a comparison between Fujifilm X-PRO3 and Sony a7R3 with Samyang 50mm f1.4 in similar situations. So I've decided to, let me put again the magic lens on my Fujifilm X-PRO3 and I go out and shoot. But in that day the light was low because I got out a little late and it became a night photography work. I like night photography a lot and I really had what to photograph at that time. So I said, let me try. First I wanted to try to use a manual focusing lens for moving subject TT Artisan. Check my review, link in the card regarding TT Artisan on Fujifilm X-PRO3. But after seeing that, I'm missing subjects, I'm missing scenes, I will go with this lens, even if I know the AF it is pretty bad and I really don't like it. I really don't like it by night. But I've said, I will try it again. Maybe it's me. Now I'm better. Now I know to focus better with this lens. And the findings, unfortunately, aren't very good when we are talking about photography by night with this lens. I still had missed focusing by night. And what I don't like is the fact that this lens is not the fact that it's focusing slow. No, it's not focusing accurately. It is focusing behind the subject. And when you are close and you want to take the photo, this lens will squeak and squeak and squeak and it will not be able to take the shot. Yes, when this lens is able to take the shot, yes, the results are magic. The results are magic and the results are very, very good. But I have not missed focuses. The majority of the pictures have the focusing behind the subject. Also, another problem is the fact that when this lens is able to focus, the subject is getting out of the AF zone at f1.4. So you have the subject a little blurry. But the lens, it is magic, as we all know, and yes, even if the subject is a little blurry, the pictures are still looking great, And when this lens is nailing focus at f1.4, the pictures are magically looking. Yes, the depth of field, the shallow depth of field, it is sufficient, it is nice, it is giving you that magic. So this lens is giving you the magic by night and also by day, but it's a lens that it's really, really frustrating because you miss some shots. Even if those shots aren't crucial shots, you really feel the frustration because it's not focusing well. And there are times when those shots are crucial. Now let's look at some results that I've got by night with this lens and this Fujifilm X-PRO3. So my question for me and for you, if it's deserving this magic, this frustration. Because this lens was used also in paid events, and yes, you've got some missed shots, you've got some good composed shots, some good moments where this lens missed. So very, very frustrating. So the question is if this lens it's deserving the frustration. From my point of view, I think not. Yes, if you want to do some portraits, it is good for that, but you'll have missed focuses in portraits too, and it's possible to miss some good moment in portrait photography also. And if you want to do portraits with kids, then you'll have a bigger frustration. So it really depends on your photography style and on what you are doing. But I feel that this lens, after using it on my X-T2S and now on my X-Pro3, it is not delivering good results regarding the AF. The image quality is amazing. The magic that comes from this lens, the rendering of this lens, amazing. I really like it more than the 35mm f1.4 from what I'm seeing online. The 35mm f1.4, I feel it doesn't have the magic from this lens. But for paid photography, for paid jobs, I think it's a no-brainer to go with 33mm f1.4. But it's an expensive lens. So for me, at the moment, I'm thinking to do the following move. Finally sell this 35mm f1.4, even if I will miss the rendering very much, and get Sigma 30mm f1.4. If you are looking at Sigma 30mm f1.4, and I've made a video here, check link in the card, we will see that it's a wider lens, and I like that, for street photography especially. And the reportings online regarding the AF of Sigma are very, very good. So yes, I will not have this magical, classical rendering, but I will have a good Sigma rendering, and I like the Sigma rendering, especially in black and white, with a very, very good field of view, a wider field of view, extraordinarily good for street photography. And I will get rid of this tighter field of view, the 53mm field of view, and I will get a very fast AF lens. Sigma 30mm f1.4, well, I've got it, and this is a short update to this video where I want to tell you to subscribe to my channel now, because soon I will publish my first impressions regarding Sigma 30mm f1.4 and how this lens acted on Fujifilm X-Pro3. It will be a very, very interesting video, so please be sure to subscribe now to my channel. Thank you, and let's get back to the subject. So yes, even if I feel I've got good results with this lens, and I love how it renders the pictures, I'm sorry, the frustration for me, it is too much with this lens. I know there are lots of users that are feeling the same. They love it and also they hate it in the same time. I don't know, but these are my thoughts at this time after this night photography work. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe now to my channel if you are in content like this, and talk to you soon. Bye bye.